Alright guys, it's Skittle Pen here, and unlike most of my videos, I'm playing co-op with my friend Ryan.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot more co-op videos. We're going to have more single player videos, but right now we're going to focus on co-op videos. We're going to have some good songs coming. We have like One,
Freebird,
Jordan,
New File, Way Ends.
Oh, you said 2. I was supposed to say 1.
Oh, maybe we could do Clustered Over.
Oh yeah, because I could tap that one. Yeah, alright.
Yeah, we may actually have a good video of Ryan.
So yeah, that's it.
I should work on the verse.
I shouldn't.
Please stop talking. You have like 6 notes in the verse.
Look how bad I did. I got a 42. I didn't even know 42s were existent.
Well, remember when my dad got 0% on Measly's outro?
I didn't see that. I wasn't there.
Well, that was funny.
Oh well.
Bye.